Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can import a video in VN Editor app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the VN Editor. So as you can see, I've already installed it. So I'm going to open this. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the VN is open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on this plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon we have to click on the got it, and now we have to click on this new project. So let's click on the new project. If you want to create a new project, so let's click on this, and after clicking on this we need to select the videos. If you want to choose the photos, you have to click on the photos, or if you want to go to the all section, you can also go through that. So for example, I'm going to select this video, and after clicking on this, if you want to add multiple videos, you can also do that. You need to select those all. For example, I want to also add this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this you have to finalize that video, that which videos you want to add. For example, I want to add these three. So after selecting these all, we have to hit the next button, and after clicking on the next button we have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, the video is imported into VN Editor. Now if you want to edit this, you can also do that. As you can see, all the editing options are provided here. So as you can see, if you want to add another one, after adding this, if you want to add any other video or picture, you can also do that. So let's click on this. You can also do that. So we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, here's the plus icon. So let's click on the plus, and after clicking on the plus we have to select the video again and picture again, that what you want to add. You have to select that, and after selecting that you have to hit the next. For example, I want to add this one again, so let's hit the next, and the video will be inserted again. So in this way you can insert a video in VN Editor. I hope you guys understand this video. It's very easy to understand, and it's a very simple step that how you can add the videos, how you can import the videos in VN Editor. So see you guys in the next video.